Okay, here we have basically a gateway. The inches have been popped out. I think I'm trying to get the focus. The inches have been popped out, so we're going to check it, see how bad of a damage it is, and see if we can do some repair to it and thing like that. So if it works, basically when it's open, as you can see, when it's open up, all of it is being lifted out. So we're going to pull it and check the damage of it and see if it can be repaired back. Okay guys, I take apart the laptop and thing, and basically somebody have done repair to it before and thing. As you can see, the charging port, basically I don't know what type of material this they put on it, but basically it did not hold and thing. So we're going to have to do a lot of adjustment to this right now and see definitely how much of a damage I've done, because as you can see all of here is come out and thing, but I don't know what type of material they use and this, so I have to go clean this up and take out all the necessary damage out of it and kind of put it back together. So here as well I have a problem, and I think they make some changes to the power button and thing, because from I see this I can tell this is not the right power button or the right power connection and thing. So we're going to make some check, because the person said it wasn't coming on, so we're going to see if that's where the problem lies and thing. So if we'll Okay guys, I went ahead and make some adjustment to basically the inches. As you can see, I managed to basically get it back up running. I could not take off much of this type of glue that the person used on it previously, but I managed to set back basically everything intact. As you can see, it can open and close normally. So I'm going to finish put everything together and see how well everything work basically. But so far I managed to get in even one more screw in it, because I end up have to put back a screw hole right here, so and thing. But so far it's been holding and it's looking really good. As I said, this glue is not done by me. I couldn't remove all of it and thing, because the previous person used, I didn't know what type of glue this he used, but it did not hold it. All it did was just mess up the laptop casing more. But I'm going to put everything back together and see how best it runs. Okay guys, I managed to finish the laptop and thing. So right now it's, I would say it's better than how it was and stuff. As you can see, that's the finishing touch. It's not my best work because somebody worked on it previously, so they kind of damage the whole thing to hold the board, to hold back the shell together. So I have to basically invent something to basically make it hold without have to bore the shell itself. But it's okay. Um, it's opening better. Don't have to hold down the hinges to open it, as you can see. So it's okay now. It's workable, as you can see. I don't have to hold it, and basically you see everything intact same way. So I did some cleaning up to the board, because the board and the fan was really dirty and thing, but otherwise from that, um, it's worked great. The power button is okay and thing. There's a Windows 8.1 on it, so I'm going to upgrade it to Windows 10 and do some necessarily checkup of it. So basically, right now it's a good laptop, it's a gateway and thing. So as I said, I'm going to do some checkup on it and make sure everything is basically working okay. But thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you enjoy my gameplays and everything. Not my best, but I do can help myself killing people. But otherwise,